Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by measuring ingredients with precision. Use 2 cups whole milk for creaminess and 1/4 cup sugar or 2 tablespoons honey as sweetener. If you prefer flavor, stir in 1/2 cup fruit puree, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until evenly mixed. For a smoother texture, chill the combined mixture in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before pouring into molds. This reduces bubbles and helps suspended fruit pieces stay distributed. Pour the chilled milk mixture into popsicle molds, leaving a 1/4-inch headspace to allow for expansion as liquids freeze. If using fruit pieces, insert sticks or plastic covers and freeze for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to ensure a fully set interior. To keep fruit evenly distributed, freeze 45 minutes, then quickly open and rotate molds once to reposition any settled pieces, then return to the freezer. This step prevents dense fruit at the bottom and yields uniform popsicles. For variations in storage, replace whole milk with 2 cups almond or oat milk and use maple syrup instead of honey for vegan popsicles, or add 1/4 cup chopped nuts for texture. To release frozen popsicles, run the molds under warm water for about 20 seconds while holding sticks to gently ease them out without melting. Store fully frozen pops upright in a freezer-safe container or resealable bag for up to 2 months to preserve flavor. Label with the date and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.